boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Ozuna here. This one is called Isla Desierta. This one will be a very quick one. We only have two different chords here, one string pattern, and that's it. It goes back and forth between these two chords. Very easy. We'll love that. So let's start this one up. No need for any capo, since these two chords are two bar chords. So the first one will be the G sharp. Alright, so you have a bar here placed on the 4th fret. You bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. That's the G sharp, and the second and last chord will be the G minor 7. So you move the bar now to the 3rd position here. So you place a bar on 3rd fret over all strings still, and then the rest will be just 5th on the A string. Alright, so you have these two chords starting with the G sharp, then going to the G minor, and then back again like this. Back and forth. Now, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So, we'll start with the first chord. That's a G sharp, and one string around, like it usually is with these rhythms here, will be down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. A couple of rounds of it to get the rhythm here. It will sound like this. Alright, so what you're going to do here, you're going to play 4 string rounds like I just did for the G sharp. Then you go to the G minor 7 and play 4 there. And guess what? You're going back 4, 4, 4, 4, like this for a couple minutes, and that pretty much covers Ozuna's Isla Desierta. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.